Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14E from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 27. A and B are 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. P2, minus 3 is the midpoint of AB. Find the first part coordinates of A and B, second part slope of line AB, third part equation of line AB. The figure is given to you. A is lying on x-axis and B is lying on y-axis. Figure में भी दिया हुआ है, okay? P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB, that is dividing AB into two equal parts. First, we need to find coordinates of A and B. A and B का coordinates find out करना है. Now, A is lying on x-axis, so y coordinate 0 होगा, है ना? So A will have some x coordinate but y coordinate will be 0. Same way for B, it is lying on y axis, so x coordinate 0 होगा and it will have some y coordinate. Okay. How will you find coordinates of A and B? P is midpoint of AB, so by midpoint formula P का coordinates क्या होगा? Let us see. If you apply midpoint formula, then P का x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 0 divided by 2. y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 plus y divided by 2. Okay, that is nothing but x by 2, y by 2. Okay, but we already know the coordinates of P. It is 2, minus 3. राइट अब एक पॉइंट का एक ही x कोऑर्डिनेट हो सकता है, एक ही y कोऑर्डिनेट हो सकता है. सो 2 इज इक्वल टू x बाई 2 एंड माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू y बाई 2. सॉल्व करके यू विल गेट x का वैल्यू एंड y का वैल्यू. सो यू विल गेट द x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ a एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ b. So you will easily get the coordinates of A and B, okay, by midpoint formula. Okay, using the coordinates of P, you will get the coordinates of A and B. So first part मिल जाएगा. Once you get the coordinates of A and B, we have to find the slope of line AB. So that is also easy. A का coordinates x1 y1 ले लो. B का coordinates x2 y2. Okay. Slope क्या हो जाएगा? It is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Okay. So put the values of the coordinates and find out the slope of the line AB. Okay, so second part is also very easy. You just have to use the coordinates of A and B. Third, we need to find the equation of line AB. Slope मिल गया. Then what is the equation का formula? Use the formula. Okay, so x1 y1, we have taken the coordinates of A as x1 y1. पुट करो x1 y1 का वैल्यू, पुट करो m का वैल्यू, you will get the equation of the line AB. Okay, there is one more method that you can use. Y equals to mx plus c. For this you are supposed to know c, that is y intercept. तो y intercept यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. The line is cutting y axis. तो y एक बार मिल गया. Whatever is the value of y, that is y intercept. Okay, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव मिलेगा because नेगेटिव साइड पे लाई कर रहा है. So you are going to get y as minus 6 if I am not wrong. Y minus 6 मिलेगा. So c is minus 6. Put c का value, put m का value, you will get the equation of the line. कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हो. Okay, दोनों में से कोई भी मेथड चलेगा. You will get the correct answer. Okay, so let us solve now. First we'll find the coordinates of A and B. So write down the coordinates of P first. So P is 2, minus 3. Let A be x, 0. Y coordinate 0 होगा because it is lying on x axis and B का x coordinate 0 होगा because it is lying on y axis. Okay. Now P is midpoint of AB. So write down P is the midpoint of AB. So using midpoint formula, यूजिंग मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला p का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएगा, इट इज़ 2, -3, सो इट विल बी x + 0 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 and y coordinate 0 + y divided by 2. So p2, -3 will be x by 2, y by 2. Equate करो, 2 is equal to x by 2 and -3 is equal to y by 2. So therefore 2 is equal to x by 2 and -3 is equal to y by 2. So therefore 4 is equal to x, 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे -6 is equal to y. So we'll get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -6. So therefore a is x, 0, right? So it will be 4, 0 and b is 0, y, so that is 0, -6. All right. So we got the coordinates of a and b. Box kar do. Write down the statement. The coordinates of a are 4, 0 and coordinates of b are 0, -6. Okay. So a is 4, 0, which we are taking as x1, y1, and b is 0, -6, which we'll take as x2, y2. Okay. So 0, -6 है, ये 4, 0 है. So slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. y2 है -6 minus y1 is 0 upon x2 is 0 and x1 is 4. So -6 upon -4, that will give minus plus हो जाएगा, so 3 upon 2. Okay. Slope we got. Let us find the equation of the line AB. Okay. So once you get the slope, just box it and write down the final statement. The slope of line AB is 3 by 2. Okay. Coming to the third part of the question, equation find out करते हैं. So write down for line AB. We have taken A as x1, y1, which is 4, 0. And slope we just got 3 upon 2. Okay. What is the formula for equation of the line? Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. I'm using this. You can use y equals to mx plus c also, because यहाँ पे y intercept भी पता है. Okay. So y minus y1 is 0. m is 3 by 2, x minus x1 is 4. Put brackets over here, 2 को shift करते हैं. So open the brackets now. y minus 0 is nothing but y. So 2y is equal to 3x minus 12. So this is the equation of the line. Okay. If you use the slope intercept form, this is the point slope form, right? एक पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स यूज़ किया एंड स्लोप यूज़ किया. इफ़ यू यूज स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म, देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द सेम इक्वेशन. ओके. सो इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग दैट, देन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द y intercept of line AB C, right? C is y intercept, so it is -6, right? 0, -6 पे कट कर रहा है, तो y कोऑर्डिनेट -6 है, दैट इज द y इंटरसेप्ट. ओके. सो c is -6. नाउ फॉर लाइन AB, अगेन यू राइट डाउन द सेम डेटा. ऑल राइट. सो फॉर लाइन AB वी हैव c equals to -6 and m equals to 3 by 2. यहाँ पे पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. ओके. सो y is equal to 3 by 2 x प्लस -6. y equals to mx plus c फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हैं. ओके. सो यू विल टेक LCM फर्स्ट एक्चुअली. सो 3x by 2 प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा एंड y इज इक्वल टू 3x मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 2, सो इट विल बिकम -12 by 2. 2 को शिफ्ट करो, so it will become 2y is equal to 3x minus 12. Okay. So whichever method you find easy, you can use that. Next question, question number 28. The equation of a line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Find first part the slope of the line. Second part the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line and passing through the intersection of the lines x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. There is a line whose equation is given. Okay, so draw a line. 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. First we need to find the slope of this line. बहुत easy है, slope find करना बहुत easy है, because all you have to do is bring this equation in the standard form. What is the standard form of equation of a line? Y equals to mx plus c. ये form में express करना है. Once you bring it in this form, जो भी x का coefficient होगा that is slope का value. So you'll easily get the slope of the line. Okay. Second part, the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line. So there is another line which is perpendicular to this line. So we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. इसका equation find out करना है. Now there is some more information given. Equation of the line perpendicular to the given line and passing through the intersection of the lines x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. So there are two lines which are intersecting at some point and ये point के through ये perpendicular line pass हो रहा है. Okay, so there are two lines which are intersecting at some point. Okay, let this point be P. So ये two lines का equation दिया हुआ है. एक line का equation है x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 and दूसरे line का equation है 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. So this perpendicular line is passing through this point. So it is passing through P. How will you find out the equation of this perpendicular line? For equation, you either need 2 points का coordinates. Okay, so यहाँ पे how will you get 2 points का coordinates? That is not possible. Okay, you cannot find 2 points का coordinates because one, it is intersecting this line at this point. So without the equation of the two lines, you cannot find ये point का coordinates, right? So we can easily find P का coordinates. It is passing through point P where these two lines are intersecting. All I have to do is I have to solve the two linear equations. दो linear equations solve करना है. जो भी x and y का value मिलेगा that will be the coordinates of P. So ये दोनों equation solve करके मुझे P का coordinates मिल जाएगा and this perpendicular line is passing through point P. So one point का coordinates मिल रहा है. I need slope. Slope कहाँ से मिलेगा? This line is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So product of the slopes is equal to -1. इसका slope अगर m1 है, इसका slope m2 है, then since the two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So m1 तो मुझे first part में ही मिल रहा है. I'm finding the slope of this line, है ना? So m1 मुझे मिल रहा है. Put the value of m1, you will get the value of m2. So I'll get the slope of the perpendicular line. I'll get the coordinates of P by solving the two linear equations. Once I get the coordinates and the slope, I can easily find out the equation of the line, right? Using the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, where x1, y1 are the coordinates of P and m is the slope of the line. Okay, so let us solve now. This is very easy. Write down for line 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Write the equation because for finding slope we have to bring the equation in standard form. Okay. So for standard form पहले y को check करो. Is y positive or negative? यहाँ पे y positive है. Y वाला term is positive. So keep it as it is. Okay. नेगेटिव होता तो वी वुड शिफ्ट एंड मेक इट पॉजिटिव. सो ये पॉजिटिव है. शिफ्ट द रिमेनिंग टर्म्स ऑन द अदर साइड, y के साथ कोई दूसरा टर्म नहीं होगा, सो -3x + 7, द साइंस विल चेंज. y का कोएफिशिएंट 1 होगा, सो शिफ्ट 4 ऑन द अदर साइड, so -3x + 7, the whole will be divided by 4. Okay, separate 4, it is denominator of 3x also and 7 also, that is -3x also and 7 also, so separate कर दो. Okay, now it is in standard form. Standard form है y = mx + c, it is in that form. So comparing, what is the value of m, that is slope. Slope is -3/4. Okay, so slope of the line 3x + 4y - 7 = 0 is -3/4. Okay, so don't forget to write this statement. All right. For second part, we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to 3x + 4y - 7 = 0 and is passing through the point P, which is the point of intersection of two other lines, जिसका equation दिया है. So for this we need the slope of this perpendicular line and the coordinates of one point. So P का coordinates we'll find afterwards. First we'll find the slope of this line. We know this line is perpendicular to 3x + 4y - 7 = 0. So इसका slope क्या हो जाएगा? It will be negative reciprocal, that is -1 upon whatever is the slope of the line 3x + 4y - 7 = 0. So what is the slope of this line? We got already the slope. It is -3/4, right? So -1 upon -3/4. That is nothing but -1 divided by -3/4. To avoid any confusion, solve like this. Okay, so -1 डिविजन हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो यहाँ पे रेसिप्रोकल. ओके, एंड ब्रिंग नेगेटिव साइन इन न्यूमरेटर. ओके, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा 4/3. ओके, सो स्लोप ऑफ दिस लाइन इज 4/3. I have not taken m1, m2, you can use that method also. इसका slope m1 ले लो, इसका slope m2 ले लो, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Put the value of the slope. Same हुआ. In short, it is one and the same. Okay. So we got the slope of this line. Let us find out the coordinates of P. For that, we need to solve the two linear equations because it is the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay. Write down, let P be the point of intersection of lines x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. So write down the two equations. First वाला है x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. For linear equations, how are they expressed? x and y हमेशा LHS में होगा and number RHS में होगा. So keep x and y as it is. 2 को shift करो. Okay. So it will be x minus y equals to -2. Mark this as 1. Now it is in proper form. Same way for the second equation. 3x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. Shift 10. So 3x plus y equals to 10. Mark this as 2. y का coefficient same है यहाँ पे, है ना? So what I'll do is I'll directly solve. Signs opposite है, so add करना है because y will get cancelled. So adding 1 and 2. X minus y equals to -2 and 3x plus y equals to 10. Minus y plus y cancel हो जाएगा. X plus 3x is 4x. 10 minus 2 is 8. So x we'll get as 8/4, that is nothing but 2. Don't skip the steps. Okay. X 2 mila. And now we'll find the value of y. So put the value of x in 1 or 2 and find the value of y. Putting x equals to 2 in 1. First वाला equation क्या था? It was x minus y equals to -2, right? We had shifted 2 on the other side. So this was the equation. Put 2 in place of x. शिफ्ट y over here and 2 over here, so -2 + 2 हो जाएगा and -5 + y हो जाएगा. So 4 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 4. Okay, we got the value of y, we got the value of x. So 2, 4 मिल रहा है. So p का coordinates मिल गया. Okay, now we have the coordinates, we have the slope of the line. Let us find out the equation of the line. For the line perpendicular to 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0 and passing through P2, 4, P2, 4 we'll take as x1, y1 and m we have 4/3. Okay, so the equation of the line is, formula है y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, y1 is 4, m is 4/3, put brackets because 3 यहाँ पे shift होगा, x minus x1 is 2, so 3 into y minus 4 is equal to 4 into x minus 2, so that gives 3y minus 4 3s are 12, 4x minus 8. Okay, so 3y equals to 4x minus 8 plus 12, that will give 3y equals to 4x plus 4. Box कर दो. Okay, so this is the equation of the line. Write down the final statement. The equation of the line is 3y equals to 4x plus 4. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 29. ABCD is a parallelogram where A is x comma y, B is 5,8, C is 4,7 and D is 2, -4. Find first part the coordinates of A, second part the equation of diagonal BD. ABCD is a parallelogram, so draw a parallelogram. ABCD, so name it A, B, C, D. Cycle complete करो, either anti-clockwise or clockwise. Okay, wherever you start from. So ABCD parallelogram है. A का coordinates है x, y, B का coordinates 5,8, C का coordinates 4,7, D का coordinates 2, -4. First we need to find coordinates of A. A is the point where AD and AB are meeting, है ना? A is the point where these two lines are intersecting. So you can find the coordinates of the point by knowing the equations of the two lines. So I need to find the equation of AB and equation of AD. Okay, so I need equation of AB and AD. How will I get that? AB पहले देखते हैं. AB के लिए I have B का coordinates. I need 1 point का coordinates to find the equation, right? I need x1, y1. What else do I need? I need slope of the line. So AB का slope मुझे पता होना चाहिए. How will I find slope of AB? AB is parallel to CD, है ना? AB and CD parallel है because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. Parallelogram में opposite sides are parallel. So if I find slope of CD, I can easily find slope of AB, है ना? M मिल जाएगा मुझे. So once I get M and x1, y1, I'll use the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values of x1, y1, put the value of m. I'll get the equation of the line AB. Okay. So for the slope, I need slope of CD. CD का slope मुझे कैसे मिलेगा? I know the coordinates of D, I know the coordinates of C. Use the formula. Right? All I have to do is subtract y coordinates, then x coordinates. Okay. So I'll get the slope of CD. From that I'll obtain the slope of AB and then the equation of AB. Same way for AD I'll obtain the equation. Okay. I have D का coordinates. So यहाँ पे D हो जाएगा x1, y1 and AD का slope मुझे find out करना है. AD is parallel to BC, है ना? These two lines are parallel, opposite sides of parallelogram. So since they are parallel, AD का slope is equal to BC का slope, है ना? तो BC का slope मुझे easily मिल जाएगा. I have coordinates of B, I have coordinates of C. Using the formula, I'll easily get the slope of BC. Once I get the slope of BC, it is equal to slope of AD. So I'll have slope, I'll have one point का coordinates, I'll easily get the equation of AD. Okay, using the formula. यहाँ पे भी M मिल जाएगा, ये x1 y1 ले लेंगे. So equation frame कर लेंगे AD का and AB का. Once you get the equation of AD and AB, then you will solve the two equations. दो linear equations के form में मिलेगा. दोनों linear equation को solve करो. Solve करके जो x and y का value मिलेगा, that will be the coordinates of the point A. Okay. So for the coordinates, you need the equation of the two lines. For the equation, you need to find their slopes. And their slopes you will get from the parallel lines. Okay. So पहले BC का slope find out करना पड़ेगा, CD का slope find out करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Second part, we need to find the equation of diagonal BD. BD को join करो. Okay. BD का equation बहुत easy है. I have B का coordinates, I have D का coordinates. I'll easily get the slope of BD. Okay. Slope मिल जाएगा BD का. And take any one point as x1, y1. So using the formula, I'll have slope, I'll have x1, y1. मिल जाएगा equation. Okay. So it's very easy. All you're supposed to know is one point का coordinates which is lying on the line and the slope of the line. Okay. So let us solve now. First draw the figure and then write down the given information. We are told that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Write it down because we'll be using the properties of parallelogram. Write down the coordinates of the vertices ABCD. Okay. Now we need to find coordinates of A. For that we need the equations of AB and AD. है ना? AB और AD का equations find out करना है. For the equations we need one point का coordinates. AB के लिए one point का coordinates पता है, slope find out करना है. Slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. So मुझे पहले slope of CD find out करना पड़ेगा. इसका slope क्या है? Okay. Because both will have equal slope since they are parallel lines. Same way for AD, we need slope. We have already one point का coordinates. So slope of AD is equal to slope of BC. So I need to find slope of BC. Okay. It's easy to find the slope once you know the coordinates of the 2 points lying on the line. So let us find the slopes of CD and BC. For BC, slope will be, subtracting the y coordinates first. So 7 minus 8 upon 4 minus 5. You can go the other way around also. 8 minus 7 upon 5 minus 4. Okay. So minus 1 upon minus 1, minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So plus 1 मिलेगा. Okay. So slope of BC is 1. इसका slope 1 है. So AD का slope भी 1 हो जाएगा. Okay. Now we'll find slope of CD to find slope of AB. So for CD, again subtract the y coordinates first, then x coordinates. So 7 minus minus 4 upon 4 minus 2. You can go the other way around also. Minus 4 minus 7 upon 2 minus 4. Okay. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा. 4 minus 2 is 2. 11 upon 2 is the slope. So parallel line is AB. So AB का भी slope 11 upon 2 हो जाएगा. So let us write down now. We'll use the properties of parallelogram. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Write down the reason. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay. No short forms. You have to write down full statement. Okay. Since they are parallel lines, इनका slope भी equal होगा. So therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. स्लोप ऑफ सी डी क्या मिला है 11/2. सो स्लोप ऑफ ए बी इज 11/2. ओके, वी गॉट द स्लोप. एंड स्लोप ऑफ ए डी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. What is the slope of BC? 1. So slope of ADB 1 है. Okay. Now for AB we'll find the equation first. Okay, we have slope, we have 1 point of coordinates. Then we'll find for AD. Same condition. Okay. For AB we have slope. So write down M is 11/2 and B का coordinates we are going to take as x1 y1. B is 5,8. Take it as x1 y1 and apply it in the formula. The equation of AB is, no short forms, use full words. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Put the values. y1 है 8, m is 11/2. Put brackets, 2 यहाँ पे shift हो जाएगा. x minus x1 is 5. So 2 into y minus 8 is equal to 11 into x minus 5. 2y minus 16 is equal to 11x minus 55. Okay. So bring this in linear equation form. Linear equation में कैसे लिखते हैं equation को? x and y LHS में and number RHS में. So I want to keep x positive, so I'm shifting 2y over here. 11x minus 2y हो जाएगा and 55 over here. So 55 will become positive. 55 minus 16, that will give 39. Right. Now switch the sides. So ये हो जाएगा linear equation का form. Okay. Now we got one equation. AB का equation मिल गया. It is 11x minus 2y equals to 39. Let us find the equation of AD same way. Okay. For AD, write down the slope and D का coordinates we'll take as x1 y1. Right. Now equation of AD will be y minus y1 is minus 4 is equal to m is 1 into x minus x1 is 2. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा and your 1 into x minus 2 will give x minus 2. So again we'll bring this in linear equation form. So y I'll shift over here and 2 over here. So 4 plus 2 is equal to x minus y. That is 6 is equal to x minus y. That is x minus y is equal to 6. Okay. So we got the equation of AD also. It is x minus y equals to 6. We have to solve the equations of AB and AD and find the coordinates of A. So let us solve the equations. Write down AB and AD intersect at point A. So when you solve the two equations AB and AD का equations, जो भी x and y का value मिलेगा, that will be the coordinates of the point A. Okay. So write down the equations. AB का equation है 11x minus 2y equals to 39. Mark this as 1. And other equation is x minus y equals to 6. Mark this as 2. I'll make coefficient of y same. Okay. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So 2 is smaller than 11. x का coefficient सेम करेंगे तो 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So I am going to make coefficient of y same. So multiplying 2 by 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. So 2 into x minus y equals to 6. That will give 2x minus 2y equals to 12. Okay. Mark this as 3. Now we'll consider 1 and 3. दोनों में coefficient same है. Okay. Signs are same. So whenever signs are same, you subtract the equations. So let's subtract 3 from 1. Okay. I'm going to subtract 3 from 1. So 3 को subtract कर रहे हैं, therefore its sign will change. हर एक term का sign change हो जाएगा. So subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. So 1 पहले लिखो, जो subtract करेंगे वो बाद में लिखेंगे. Okay. सिंस यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द साइंस विल चेंज. 12 पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. ये नेगेटिव था, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. और ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. सो ऑब्जर्व द न्यू साइंस नाउ. 11x माइनस 2x है, तो दैट विल बी 9x. माइनस 2y प्लस 2y कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 39 माइनस 12, so that will give 27. Okay, so x is 27 upon 9, that is x is equal to 3. All right, now put the value of x in one of the equations. I'll be putting it in 2. सबसे easy equation है. So putting x equal to 3 in 2. So x minus y is 6, that is 3 minus y is 6. So shift 6 over here and y over here. That is minus 3 is equal to y, that is y is equal to minus 3. x and y का वैल्यू मिल गया, that is a का कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गया. x कोऑर्डिनेट है 3, y कोऑर्डिनेट है minus 3. Okay, so therefore a is 3 comma minus 3. Box it and write down the statement. The coordinates of a are 3 comma minus 3. Okay, now we'll find the equation of diagonal BD. So we know the coordinates of B and D. Write down for diagonal BD, slope will be, subtract the y coordinates then x coordinates. Okay, so 8 minus minus 4, 8 minus minus 4 upon 5 minus 2. Make sure you are considering correct coordinates. B and D का coordinates consider करना है. You can go the other way around also. Minus 4 minus 8 upon 2 minus 5, that is also correct. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा, so 8 plus 4 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. So 12 upon 3, that is nothing but 4. So slope of BD is 4. Okay, we have slope. Consider any one point का coordinates as x1, y1. So I'll take B का coordinates as x1, y1. You can take D also. Okay, so write down for diagonal BD. We have M as 4 and B I am taking as x1, y1. Okay, so the equation of diagonal BD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values. y1 है 8, m is 4, x minus x1 is 5. Okay, y minus 8 is equal to 4x minus 20. So shift 8 over here, 4x minus 20 plus 8 हो जाएगा. 8 minus 20 is minus 12. Okay, so this is the equation of the line. Box it. You can bring it in standard form. Actually already this is in standard form, and you can express this in linear equation form also, up to you. Box the equation, write down the final statement. The equation of the diagonal BD is y equals to 4x minus 12. Let's solve the next question. Question number 30. Given equation of line L1 is y equals to 4. First part, write the slope of line L2 if L2 is the bisector of angle O. Second part, write the coordinates of point P. Third part, find the equation of L2. You are given the figure, and let's see what all information is given. L1 है which is parallel to x axis. L2 is passing through the origin, right? You are told that L1's equation is y equals to 4. L1 का equation है y equals to 4. Okay. First, we need to write the slope of line L2. L2 is this line. Slope of line L2 if L2 is the bisector of angle O. O पे x axis and y axis meet करता है, intersect करता है. So this एंगल विल बी 90 डिग्रीज, राइट एंगल होगा, राइट. एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस इंटरसेक्ट एट राइट एंगल्स, सो दिस होल एंगल ओ इज 90 डिग्रीज, है ना. सो इफ L2 इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल O, then it is dividing into two equal angles, that is 45 हो जाएगा, है ना. तो ये 45 होगा, ये भी 45 होगा. So we need to find the slope of L2. Slope, that is M, is nothing but tan theta. Okay, it is related to the inclination, that is angle with the positive x axis. So indirectly you are given the angle with the positive x axis. L2 का angle with x axis, positive x axis से L2 जाओ, till L2 it is 45 degrees. So this angle will be 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. So theta is 45 for L2. So M will be tan 45, that is nothing but 1. You're supposed to know standard value table, okay. So slope of L2 is 1. Alright, we'll get the first part very easily. Second part, write down the coordinates of point P. P is the point where line L1 and L2 are meeting, है ना. L1 and L2 are intersecting at point P. So to find the coordinates of P, I need equation of L1 and equation of L2. Equation of L1 पता है, equation of L2 find out करना पड़ेगा. That is third part you have to find first and then we'll come to second part. Okay, so पहले third part find out करना पड़ेगा, then we'll come to second part of the question. How will you find equation of L2? कैसे find out करेंगे? For equation you need slope and 1 point का coordinates. L2 का slope मैंने first part में अभी find out किया है ना, it is 1. So I have slope, I need 1 point का coordinates. L2 is passing through O, that is origin के through pass हो रहा है. So origin का coordinates क्या होता है, 0,0. So origin का coordinates है 0,0. This I'll take as x1, y1, right. So I know 1 point का coordinates which is lying on the line. I have the slope of the line, that is 1. I have M, I have x1, y1. Use the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay. So it's very easy. y1 0 है, m1 है, x1 0 है. So you are going to get y is equal to x. Okay. x and y का value same मिलेगा throughout. So whatever is the x coordinate will be the y coordinate for this line L2. So we got the equation of the line L2. It is y equals to x or x equals to y, one and the same. We got equation of L2. We have equation of L1. Solving the two equations, we'll get the coordinates of P. So first part मिल गया, third part मिल गया, second part find out करना है. Okay. P is the point of intersection of the two lines. So solving the two equations. First equation is y equals to 4. Okay, so P का y coordinate 4 होगा because it is lying on L1. So उसका y coordinate 4 ही होगा. X coordinate find out करना है. Okay, so y is 4 and other equation is y is equal to x. Put y equal to 4 over here, है ना? Because it is point of intersection of both the lines, so it has to satisfy both the equations. Okay, so y का value 4 यहाँ पे put करो, x equal to 4, that is x coordinate 4 होगा. Okay, so P is 4,4. All right. So first you have to find the equation of L2 and then find the coordinates of P. Okay, so everything is easy, it's not that tough. Again students, one more thing, L2 का equation एक और way से find out कर सकते हैं. You can use the formula y equals to mx plus c. Slope intercept form भी use कर सकते हैं. Slope मुझे first part में मिल रहा है. c, that is y intercept. y axis पे कब meet कर रहा है, 0,0 पे, है ना, 0,0 पे meet कर रहा है. So y coordinate क्या है यहाँ पे, 0 है. So that is y intercept is 0. Whenever it is intersecting y axis, y intercept will be y coordinate. Okay, so यहाँ पे it is 0, 0, O is 0, 0, so y coordinate will be the y intercept. So y intercept is 0, that is C is 0, M is 1. You will still get correct answer. Okay, so whichever method you want, you can use that. So now we'll solve properly with proper steps. First we have to find the slope of L2. For that we need the angle of L2 with positive x-axis. Okay, so for that we are given some information. We are told that L2 is the bisector of angle O, right? We are told that. So write down. Now angle O का measurement क्या है? It is 90 degrees. Okay, because it is the angle where x-axis and y-axis intersect. So it is 90 degrees. So for L2 theta क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 45 because it will be dividing into two equal angles, that is 45, 45. So L2 का angle with x axis it will be 45 plus 45 होगा, okay, because you are going anti-clockwise. So theta is 45. What is the slope? It is tan theta. So tan 45, that is nothing but 1. So write down the statement after that. Slope of line L2 is 1. Now we need to find the coordinates of point P, for which we need to find equation of L2, because this is the point where L2 and L1 meet. Okay, so first we'll find the equation of L2 and then we'll find the coordinates of P. To find the equation of line L2, we need slope of the line and the coordinates of one point which is lying on the line. So we just found the slope of L2, it is 1, right? We also know the coordinates of one point which is lying on the line. L2 is passing through O, origin के through pass हो रहा है, and origin का coordinates क्या होता है? 0, 0. So we know the coordinates of one point which is lying on the line L2. We have x1, y1, we have m. Let's frame the equation of the line L2. So before that you have to write down that L2 is passing through origin. So line L2 passes through origin. So therefore O 0, 0 lies on line L2. Okay, so write down for line L2 slope is 1 and O 0, 0 we'll take as x1, y1. Okay, so the equation of line L2 is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, y minus 0 equals to 1 into x minus 0, x1 y1 0 0 है, m 1 है. Okay, y minus 0 is y, 1 into x minus 0 is 1x, that is nothing but x. Okay, so y equals to x is the equation of line L2. So third part पहले मिल गया, we had to find that. Now using the equation of L2 we'll find the coordinates of point P. Okay, so just box this. Okay, we have got the equation of L2. We'll write it at the end. Third part last में लिखेंगे, पहले second part find out करेंगे. Okay, so we'll solve the two equations. Y equals to x, that is equation of L2 we got, and y equals to 4, and find the coordinates of point P. So write down point P is the point of intersection of lines L1 and L2. Okay, so L1 का equation क्या है? It is y equals to 4 and L2 is y equals to x, which we just found. P का y coordinate 4 ही होगा because it lies on the line y equals to 4. So y coordinate will be 4. All right. So y is equal to 4. Now put y equals to 4 y का वैल्यू 4 over here for L2. So putting y equals to 4 and y equals to x. 4 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 4. Okay, so x 4 है, y 4 है, p का कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गया. Therefore p is x comma y, that is 4 comma 4. Okay, so p is 4 comma 4. Box कर दो. This is the second part of the question. Okay, so we got the answer to the second part. Write down the statement. The coordinates of point P are 4 comma 4. Okay, after this write down the third part. We already found the equation of L2, so write down the equation of L2 is y equals to x. Okay.